Right, moving on from terror strikes now to the threat of dengue across the capital. The city continues to reel under the impact. The number of people who have succumbed to dengue fever is 16 now in the capital. 2,000 people have been affected. The Delhi government, which has been accused of not effectively dealing with the health epidemic, said it was considering bringing an ordinance to punish private hospitals refusing to provide treatment to dengue patients in emergency situations. And last night, a 10th class student died who lived in Delhi's Seemapuri locality. He died in Ghaziabad's Pushpanjali hospital. He was first admitted to a private hospital on the 15th of September. From where he was admitted to the Max Balaji hospital after he was advised to shift into a bigger facility on the 16th, keeping in view his medical condition. But Max Balaji couldn't accommodate him because of the lack of beds and referred him to another private hospital where he finally died on the 17th evening. And the Indian Medical Association, the top doctors body, has said in its latest alert that so far the dengue situation in Delhi is an outbreak but hasn't been declared an epidemic. The maximum cases have been reported between on September 15th and onwards. More dengue cases are likely in the next 1 month, according to the Medical Association, and doctors must treat suspected cases immediately. Death are common in children below 11 years, but stable patients can become critical within minutes as well. Doctors are under tremendous pressure at risk of dengue death related violence as well.
मैंने कहा था 1000 हम बेड बढ़ा रहे हैं। उसके बाद हमने प्रेस रिलीज की थी जनकपुरी और ताहिरपुर दोनों अस्पतालों के लिए। उसके बाद ये बताने की बजाय कि जी दिल्ली सरकार इन अस्पतालों को डेंगू के लिए यूज कर रही है, ये पूछा जा रहा है क्यों नहीं कर रही है। हमने पहले ही कह दिया है, आप प्रेस रिलीज भी देख सकते हैं। पिछले सैटरडे को मैंने बयान दिया था 1000 बेड स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, वो इनको मिला के था। सिर्फ फीवर और डेंगू के लिए स्पेशली शनिवार इतवार तक स्टार्ट कर दिया जाएगा। देखिएगा, अगर जो सरकार ने रेट तय किया उससे ज्यादा ले रहे हैं तो अपने लिए ट्रबल क्रिएट करेंगे, बहुत नुकसान होने वाला है। उन बाद में हम इसे कहने के लिए नहीं आए कि हमारे को पता नहीं था और हमने गलती की है।
Meanwhile, as the situation in hospitals continues to be problematic with many turning away dengue patients, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is believed to be carrying out surprise checks in some of these hospitals. My colleague Ketki Angre joining us on the phone line for more. Ketki, give us a heads up on what the Delhi government is doing with these checks. How many have they managed to conduct?
Well, in fact, the surprise element is because there are allegations coming in from different parts of the city that patients are being turned away, there aren't enough beds, there are complaints of, number of people saying that we've been sent from one hospital to another because no one is giving us any space and we need urgent treatment. Of course, there is a panic because of dengue, also the number of deaths. The figure has gone up in the last 2 days alone, and that's also one of the reasons for panic. And more people and, who are coming up with symptoms of fever are automatically running to the nearest hospital to try and get treated. The surprise check is also part of what the Delhi government wants to make sure. Many feel that the Delhi government was caught napping, especially as far as the response was concerned. So this is the Delhi government's attempt in a way to show that it is completely on the ball and it is aware of what's happening, and it will not spare any hospital that turns away patients. So this is an attempt by the Delhi government and the Chief Minister making that visit to Lal Bahadur Shastri Hospital in East Delhi. Now, in fact, just last night in East Delhi, there was a 17-year-old boy who died due to dengue, and his family had to go from one hospital to another for different private hospitals, and finally they were sent to a hospital in Uttar Pradesh where he breathed his last. So there are complaints coming of this sort, and that's one of the reasons the Delhi government wants to tackle those head-on, and the surprise checks are a part of that, Maya.
Right, Ketki, thanks very much for joining us. The issue really is of enforcing the guidelines that both the Delhi government and the central government have been issuing to private hospitals when it comes to dealing with patients with dengue.